Today, I want to show you how you can set up native social sharing inside of your WeWeb mobile application using the Despia plugin. It's super simple, so let's get right started with that. Now, as you can see, I'm in my WeWeb project and we need to make sure that we have the Despia plugin installed from the WeWeb marketplace. To verify that you have it installed, go to Assets, Library, and click on the little book symbol, and you should see that that is installed, the Despia plugin, the Despia library. If you have not installed the Despia library yet, go to the marketplace and you can look for Despia and you can install it into an existing or a new project. Perfect. So now that we have it installed, let's make sure that the Despia plugin component is on the page that we want to have native functionalities. So I'm going to click on Add, I'm going to go to Assets, and I'm going to take this Despia plugin component and put it at the top of the page. And now we can just add a button in here using the basic elements. Make sure the Despia component is still on top of the page, and this button can now have this native social share functionality. So I'm going to just type share and click on here, and I'm going to add a new workflow, and I'm going to run execute component action. I will take the Despia plugin component, and now I will look for open native social share dialog, and I have the ability to share text, a message, or a URL, or both. So in this example, I'm just going to hard code it, but you can also make it dynamically, taking some data from an API if you want, or from a variable. So let's say this is my affiliate link, right? So you can build an MLM inside of WeWeb and Despia if you want. You can do https://example.com/link, something like that. And let's close that and let's deploy this and let's publish it. Beautiful. And now it's publishing it. Now the nice thing is with Despia and WeWeb, you get over-the-air updates for your native mobile application, meaning you do not have to publish it, rebuild it, wait till the app stores, Google, Apple approve it. You do not have to do that. You got updates over the air, which is a common method when it comes to building hybrid mobile applications, meaning all the changes that you do in WeWeb, they are immediately reflected on your mobile application, meaning when you, by mistake, publish something that's broken, you can fix it without having to wait 10 days, which is a very critical feature for lots of applications. So let's take a look at it. As you can see, if I open the app, the whole interface, the whole code base is updated without having to go through the publishing process, and it's 100% compliant. And now if I click on share, it will open the native share dialog. Now something that we'll be making a video about is you can see I can actually share it into the app that I built in Despia. And then inside of here, I could share it again and we have an infinite screen essentially. But so this is sharing stuff from the app to outside other apps, but you can also share stuff into the Despia app and get it. We'll make more videos about that. Take care and see you in the next one.